Hi class, I just wanted to welcome you into the course. As you log into the Canvas shell, this is what you should be actually seeing. The only setback is that the assignments, well, since the class doesn't start until Monday, it's not gonna let you open them. So we're basically looking at the following. You're gonna have a module where we're gonna have the office hours. I haven't uploaded that module completely. A course intro module with a couple of assignments, which we're going to go over during our first meeting. Also, the MyMathLab assignments, they're not ready yet. They're not going to let us sync it until Monday. And you also are able to see at least the outline of week 1. Now, for our first meeting, if you get a chance, make sure that you have the calculator and print the handout under this Monday activity. I'll place the handout also on the actual announcement. The system is not letting you view it until early Monday. So if you get a chance, print the handout, and also we need the calculator for our first meeting. See you Monday.